Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about the proper positioning of holding the guitar. This is very important because we want to avoid any bad habits that could lead to discomfort or, even worse, injury as you move forward in your study of the guitar. First of all, your posture is very important. You want to make sure you have both legs straight up and down and your feet on the floor. And you want to have your back straight. It's really easy to start scrunching down and have an arched back as you're looking down at the fretboard or at your right hand, trying to make sure that you're playing correctly. But you got to avoid that and make sure you sit up straight. Similarly, with the body of the guitar, you want to make sure that that is parallel to your back. So you want to avoid having the guitar lean forward or lean backwards in this manner. So make sure everything's straight up and down. Finally, you got to watch out and make sure that the guitar isn't drifting either downward too far or upward. So make sure the neck and the headstock are at the least horizontal, if not pointed upwards slightly. If you make sure to keep all of these aspects in mind, you're going to be on your way to having good positioning with holding the guitar.